Hello there, Mr. Boom here. Welcome to FX Billionaire Hub, and in this video, you're gonna break down the market trend, support and resistance level to find out our key zone or entry or what going to be happen today in the market. Okay, so let's get started. Before we start, I need to talk about our yesterday's entry or yesterday's analysis. As you can see there, we keep it as clean as much like yesterday, and as you can see there was a trend line from yesterday and another trend line from yesterday, and that was our strong support level. Due to Fed rate cut, market was unable to move that particular area. We took a sell entry, or we suggest a sell confirmation area around that particular area, and that moves around 700 plus pips. Okay, then jobless climb or rate cut news comes and market started to move bullish. Okay, what happens in that particular area? You may ask me, Mr. Boom, what happens? Okay, as you can see there, this is our another trend line zone, and market was touch that particular area one time and give us a 200 pips plus movement, and another time it just give us a back here, and again it just touch here and it just moved around 800 pips plus movement. Okay, so this is particular scenario till now, and we have to analyze the market to find out a proper path or direction for today. So let remove all of the previous drawing and start with a fresh analysis. As per our trading style or analysis style, we start our analysis with higher time frame, then we can get back into lower time frame to find out our direction or market entry. As you can see there, in daily time frame, that means D1 time frame, market just created a trend line channel over here, and there is a fake breakout or there is a wick. Okay, and as per you can see there is a bullish momentum from yesterday's market, and today market is also going to move in bullish. And what we need to do or what we can do, and overall market trend from long run market trend is buy, and maybe we have to consider buy today also. Let's check into H4 or H1 time frame. In H4 time frame, as you can see, the same scenario over here, and for H1, let's remove previous all of drawing, and let's find out our today's K support or resistance area. Okay, as you can see there, I told about that line yesterday, or that trend line yesterday, and as you can see there, exactly there is a breakout, then we told you to wait for a pullback, then there is a pullback, and then boom, and it is trying to move forward or move upward. Okay, and if I want to draw another trend line over here, and as you can see there, that was our particular another trend line, and market follow that trend line properly, and it just give us a breakout, then pullback, then just trying to move bullish. So this is the current scenario and what we need to do now. And if I want to look into the support and resistance particular area, as you can see there can be a resistance area. Okay, and till now there is no buy or sell entry. We have to wait till that particular area. If we get any candlestick confirmation to go sell, then we can enter a sell. Otherwise, if there is breakout, then we have to wait up for a pullback, then we can take buy entry till that particular area. So this is a current scenario, and as you can see, the market just trying to move bearish, and there is also a zone. If market come back till that particular area, then we have to wait for a candlestick confirmation, then we can consider a buy entry from that particular area. And those all are our key zones or key levels for H1 time frame. So you have to wait till reach that particular area. And you may ask me, Mr. Boom, I am a day trader, or I want to trade daily and want to close daily. So what for me, or what I need to do? Okay, then we have to consider smaller time frames like M15, as we are analyzing each and every day. And let's get back for M13 or M15 time frame. And if I want to draw our H1 trend line, resistance becomes support zone over here, and as you can see there is another trend line coming. There is another trend line coming over here, and if I want to talk about lower channel, as you can see, there is a lower channel formed over here, and this is the key zone. This is the key zone. Those all are the key zone. Okay, market each and every time respected our that two level, so we have to wait till that particular area, then we can take buy entry. Otherwise, if it give us a breakout, then we have to wait for pullback and then we can take entry. And same scenario for bullish trade, if it give us a breakout, then we have to wait for a pullback, then we can consider a buy entry. This is the current scenario. So I hope you all understand the issue or all understand the market situation or condition for today. And for now we have to wait for this particular area. Okay, and I hope all things clear now. If you have any more query, then we can discuss about that in telegram channel, link in the video description box. There we are also sharing daily 5 to 8 entries in our telegram to get chart analysis, news analysis, and many more analysis. You may join our public telegram channel, link in the video description box. So that's for today. Happy trading, have a nice day.